To be young and in love in New York City. To not know who I am, but to know that I could lose you here with me. To be drunk and in love in New York City. Midnight in the morning coffee, burning through the hours talking. Damn, I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew for the first time, I say for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you.